In this section, we'll definitely try to discuss some common problems, some typical mistakes, and it will be a summarized tutorial for this block of extra renders from your current render. And to summarize, we need to understand the level of our prompting. Generally, I advise you to use OpenAI or ChatGPT, or you can use also DeepSeek or any Gemini or any like LLM model you wish. You will need to understand that the more details you give, the less creativity you'll get, but you'll get the more precise image. Remember that the prompting is quite advanced and quite interesting stuff, and we will discuss it in our next tutorials. From the common mistakes here, I don't even have what to tell you, because this is very creative tutorial. This is very creative topic when we try to force AI to imagine a new images. So simply you always receive some results you don't wish, or you had another vision than AI, so that's normal. One of the examples here, it's most visible, that you can have more predictable results if you make a few tries. Now, for example, I know that I definitely should add or not add information about the background, about the environment, about the sections, about the floors, what I wanted to show. Maybe I want to show foundation, first floor, second floor, without roof or with roof. You know, you will need to understand what you want to show and why, or what you don't want to show. So it's very important for you to make a few tests to understand better. Here it was a second frame and it was perfect. Here we had other tests, like here we had generally no mistakes or no errors, and it's the same it was here. So generally, I don't think that there are any problems with typical problems with this topic when we try to create a new frames. Here we had also some few tries in our team. It was not the best or not the perfect. Here we tried to add some information about the size of the building. Of course, it's completely funny and it's hallucinating a lot. But remember, it's only a test. It's only information what you can do with your render. So the problem section for the problem tutorial for this section is quite surprisingly empty, because we don't have too much mistakes, we don't have too much problems, and I wish you good luck, and try it and make it more interesting and give it a try with your projects, and see you in next tutorial.